In local news, the town's historic fish quay is to be brought back into use. There's been a substantial grant invested in it, so they're doing a lot of repair works and they're going to get it back into action. So this video will have a walk down the pier and look at all the fish quay, see what kind of work's going to get done to bring it back into use for all the local fishermen. Council bosses have approved 600,000 of funding for repairs to Whitby Fish Quay on the west side of the town's outer harbour. The Fish Quay, which is Whitby's main fishing area, is where catches are landed and is home to the lobster hatchery. However, the current condition of the Fish Quay is poor and as a result is out of operational use. So the works will see the replacement of 10 steel piles and oak fenders, which will be delivered from a marine-based barge. Repairing the fenders will bring 200 metres of mooring space back into use and assist in achieving harbour income targets, according to reports by the officers. So quite a bit of work does need to be done on the Fish Quay. It needs underpinning, and this is a welcome sum of money to improve that. It's a well-used quay by fishermen and tourists, so it's important for fishermen and the fishing industry to get this investment done. The 660,000 funding was unanimously approved to fund the works, and it will come from an in-year revenue and underspend in the authority's Environment Director. The quay is generally reserved for vessels landing fish products, while other craft may use the quay while waiting for a berth in the upper harbour. So nice and peaceful this time of morning, no one about, all you can hear is the sound of the seagulls.